Found this old Pilot 402 stapler. Cleaned her up real good. She was pretty rusty. The recoiler was busted. Put a rubber band on it. Here's 2 sheets of paper. Get 2 sheets of paper. See if we can do 4 sheets. We should do 4 sheets. No problem. Let's do 8 sheets of paper. Stapled so easy, I didn't know it was stapled it all the way. Alright, 16 sheets of paper. No problem. And if these staples were strong enough, I could get through 32 sheets. But, sorry I gotta do this one hand. I don't think the staples are quite strong enough. But they made it. They made it. There you go. Look at that. Put a rubber band on it.